Hello guys, welcome back to yet another edition of Straight Talk with Robert Gutu on YouTube. Today we want to talk about yet another very exciting topic. This is the issue of the impact and influence of religion in Africa. As you know, in Africa, I would say there are currently about three main and dominant types of religious practices. There is Christianity, there is Islam or the Muslim religion, and also there is what I would like to refer to as the indigenous traditional African religion, which is still practiced, I think, in most countries in sub-Saharan Africa, although you'll find Christianity, you'll find the Muslim religion, you also find that there is a very strong underlying influence of traditional religious practices. And sometimes you even find people who maybe go to a Christian church, but they also indulge in traditional African religious practices and rituals. And the same applies to some people who might be maybe Islamic, of the Islamic faith, but you find they also sometimes also indulge themselves in traditional religious practices. I'm happy that in my country, in Zimbabwe, it's one of the fundamental human rights in this country, in Zimbabwe, where the right to practice a religion of one's choice is constitutionally guaranteed as a fundamental human right. So people in this country, in Zimbabwe, are at liberty to practice any form of religion that they want. Of course, like in all other fundamental human rights, no right is absolute, even though it might be a guaranteed fundamental human right in the supreme law of the land. Obviously, you have to exercise the practice of your religious freedom in cognizance and also in recognition of the rights of others and without infringing other laws of the country. For instance, you can say, look, I believe in a religion where we have to kill other people because it's my religion and I'll go about killing people. Of course, that won't be permissible. So we are talking of religious liberty in that constitutional context. One might then want to say, okay, there is a group of people, or some people who actually say, look, if you are a Christian or a Muslim, then you should, although you may be a black African, renounce all other African religious beliefs and practices. And if you ask me what is my opinion on that, I'll say my opinion is no. Christianity and Islam are actually foreign religions on the African continent. That might sound a little bit controversial, but you know what? That is the truth. Christianity and Muslim are alien religions to Africa. Christianity introduced by the missionaries coming mostly from the Western world, and the Islamic religion mostly introduced by the Arabic traders, particularly during the days of the slave trade. And as you know, the slave trade has been happening since maybe the past 600-700 years, for about 6, 7, even 8 centuries. You'd notice that before the Western powers came and instituted this transatlantic slavery, stealing black people from mainland Africa, taking them to the Americas and to the Caribbean, Arab slave trade had actually been in existence for several centuries before that. So we are talking of slavery coming from the Western countries and also the Arab-driven slavery that actually predates the transatlantic slave trade. So I am of the view that it is important for us as Africans to also respect our traditional African religious practices because that defines our identity. And I believe any religion that say that you must renounce all your indigenous African religions because they are pagan, it's an evil religion. How can our own traditional African religion be defined as pagan by a foreign religion? No, that cannot be. So that's how I see it. You may not agree with me, but that's how I see it. I believe those people who still want to practice their traditional African religious beliefs, let them be, let them do so freely. And then don't try to force them to say you might to be either a Christian or a Muslim for you to be seen as a civilized, non-pagan African. So, okay guys, that's the topic. I know it's a very controversial topic. May be controversial in certain circles. It's a very emotionally charged topic, but I still believe that we should, as Africans, respect our traditional religious practices because it defines who we are. And as a parting shot, I will reiterate, both Christianity and the Islamic religion are alien religions to Africa. Well, folks, there you have it. My name is Robert Gutu. I'm the founder and senior partner of Gudrian Chikowero Attorneys at Law in Harare, Zimbabwe, Southern Africa. I'm also the former Deputy Minister of Justice and Legal Affairs in the Republic of Zimbabwe. You may want to click the subscribe button after watching this short video. You may follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @GutuObet. On Instagram, Obet Gutu. On LinkedIn, Obet Gutu. And my official Facebook page is Obet Chaurura Gutu. Well, folks, there you have it. Once again, I would like to wish you a very happy and blessed weekend. Love yourselves, love your families, love your country, love humanity. Work hard for yourself, work hard for your families, work hard for your country, work hard for humanity. Salam, asante sana.